Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be a colorful look. Are you surprised? Because I am not. And not only am I playing with colors, but I'm also going to be testing out some palettes. Excuse me. Did you guys hear that? Oh my god, we get so many planes around here. I live in Utah and I live really close to the base, and we have planes flying in left and right. So sorry if you guys heard that. But anyway, as I was saying, not only am I playing with colors today, I haven't played with color in a while. It feels like a while to me. I haven't been doing my makeup, and I received these new palettes by C Color Cosmetics, which are these. This is a really affordable brand, you guys. I've received many PR packages from them in the past, and I am always like super amazed how they can get such good quality palettes with such an affordable price. So I decided, you know what, we're gonna play with these because these are new, they're cute, they are vibrant, they are right up my alley. And why not? These are only $10, so we're gonna figure out if these palettes are worth it. Like, are they worth money? Should you even spend $10 on these? So yeah, we're gonna play with these and we're just gonna be having fun with makeup today. I do want to say something really quickly, you guys. As many of you know, I am really close to my due date. I have about a month and 2 weeks left. With that said, I am struggling really bad with like creating content for Makeup on Monday. I do upload 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for some reason, for Makeup Monday, I've just been kind of like, not feeling it, not really wanting to upload. My creative juices just haven't really been there. So if I have missed some videos for Makeup Monday in the past, I do want to apologize for that. I am still trying to figure out and think of ways of still posting great content, but also not wanting to push myself because I am super tired all the time. I don't know if I'm going to keep Makeup Monday as a series. Like, once I have my baby, I might cut down to only 2 videos a week, and then eventually, as I feel more comfortable, I might bring Makeup Monday back. I'm not sure. So I hope you guys are not sad or disappointed in that. But like I said, I'm still not sure what I want to do. I haven't planned it out exactly. So that's all the updates that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Makeup Monday. As always, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your little bell notification. And without further ado, grab your coffee, grab your water. I have my coffee here today. It came out so good. And let's go ahead and get started with today's Makeup Monday look. Alright, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. So I've already primed my lids. I usually use a concealer. Actually, like, I always use a concealer. So today I went in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in Medium Peach. This is a very light concealer. I just wanted something that's going to have a little more of a white base because I am planning to play with colorful palette today. You guys know me. I just can't stay away from colors. So for today, I want to try these new $10 eyeshadow palettes and put them to the test to see if the quality is there. This is a brand that I am personally familiar with. I have received tons and tons of packages from them, and they just recently released 2 new palettes. They released the Cabana 14 color press palette. This is the brand C Color Cosmetics. This is what this baby looks like. She is also colorful, but the next one is super duper colorful. This is the Jungle Fever. This one is my favorite. This one is 14 colors as well. And this is what this beauty looks like. Super pretty, vibrant, very summery. Summer is coming to an end, especially here in Utah. So I want to take advantage and play with a few more colors. And maybe we'll even use their new little liquid lipsticks. We'll see. I think I'm going to go in with this palette first. This is the Cabana Pellet. We're going to use a hot pink, which is Celebration. This is a really pretty hot pink. So any hot Barbie pink color that you have, make sure you have your little Vermona color switch next to you. I need to grab my mirror. we're going to take Celebration, and I'm going to apply that into the eye, and I think I'm going to stop about right here. Oh wow, this definitely packs a punch. And there's definitely fallout, so I am going to just clean my brush with my Vermona color switch, and I'm going to go back and just do tapping, but I'm going to blend and diffuse the edges of the eyeshadow, blending it upwards. We're not going to bring it all the way up here because we are applying a purple color right next to that pink. Again, I am cleaning off my brush on my Vermona color switch. Now we're going to go in with a purple. I am going to take the shade Swamp, and we're going to sandwich these together. I love how purple and pink look. Now that we have that, I am going to go into a different brush just because I want my work to be a little bit more precise. So I'm taking the Morphe M507, which you guys know is one of my holy grail brushes. If you guys want very detailed work, invest into one of these brushes, and they're very affordable. I would literally keep maybe like 2 or 3 as a backup because these just come in so handy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure that the pink and the purple are blended nicely right here, and then just blending the edges of the purple as well. I'm going to dip into the shade Bliss, which is the matte white, using a flat brush like this, and of course we're applying that to the brow bone. That is pretty much it for the eyes. It's very simple, and I'm just going to use my concealer again to cut the crease, and then we can go in with a blue color because I'm feeling a little bit of a blue. Once you've cut your crease, I'm going to go back into this palette, the Cabana palette. I mean, I did use the other one technically, so I'm going to take the shade Take Off. This one is a mix in between like a peach, like a cream peach, and like a very, very soft light pink. So we're going to take that on a flat brush, and I'm actually going to use the one that I use for the brow bone of the eyeshadow. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the purples, and I'm actually going to take all the purples in all the palettes. So I'm going to take Swamp, or Swamp, what is it? Swamp. I'm going to take Anaconda, which is a little bit of a deeper, more plum, but it's still purple, and Lounge. I'm just trying to create a little bit more definition into the eyes. I'm going to tap it into the outer corner of the eye. And then I'm going to bring it in. I've already got my brush nice and wet. Now we're going to go into the Cabana Pellet, and I'm going to take Jacuzzi, which is, oh, that's a really pretty blue. It's like a sky blue. It's not too deep. It's not too soft. And we're going to sandwich that right here. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Sometimes your fingers are your best tools, you guys. Keep that in mind. I lost a nail, and I've been too lazy to redo my nails, so that's why I'm just like missing one. But I'm gonna try to do them today. But oh my gosh, you guys, I'm telling you, third trimester is on another level. I'm so tired all the time. I don't want to do anything, but I definitely push myself to not just stay in bed all day, you know? As much as I want to, I also like to be productive and feel not so useful. I mean, feel useful, not so useful. Feel a little bit useful. For the lower lash line, I am going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the pink and the purple and apply them in the exact area that it's going to match the lid. I do have to say, you guys, these purples are definitely not the best. I'm also going to apply a little bit of eyeliner into the waterline. I'm going to use this one by LA Girl and this one by Makeup Forever. For my lips, I took the Earth Tone Lip Liner by NYX. I also mixed in a little bit of this Revlon matte lipstick in the shade Candy Addict. It's a pretty like soft pink. I wanted to go with like the color theme on the eyes and not go like brown nude. And then I added a little bit of lip gloss. These are my favorite drugstore lip glosses. This is Lifter Gloss and it's in the shade Ice. I decided last minute to throw in a wing. I felt like this look wasn't complete without a wing. I also want to point out that this is definitely not one of my favorite looks. The purples, like I said, were definitely hard to work with. So there's a little bit of patchiness. The blue was pretty, but it wasn't like, whoa, super exciting. And then once I started blending it with the matte shade, I was having some issues. So with that said, what are my thoughts on these $10 palettes? I think they're pretty. The purple ones were the ones that were just a little bit disappointing. I would love to play more with like the browns and the oranges. But with that said, it is $10 and it's not bad. It's not bad. I have tried some of their other palettes and I feel like some of their other palettes have definitely performed a little bit better. So that is my opinion. Those are my 2 little cents. As always, I will have everything listed in the description box down below. Oh my god, my throat is hurting. So what do you guys think of this look? Would you guys actually recreate it? Would you not? Definitely not my best work. Like I said, I'm not feeling this look. I'm not vibing with it. But you know what? It's only makeup. It comes off at the end of the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video for Makeup Monday. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out another list of videos that I will have playing here. You guys can just watch those and maybe go back to other Makeup Monday looks and see what you like. And I would love to see your recreations. Tag me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for being here. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Mwah.